And Detroit's faith-based community continues to be impacted by the governor's stay-at-home orders. And in the meantime, members are coping with separation.
One denomination says at least 10 church leaders have died due to COVID-19. Tonight, they are sharing memories with 7 Action News reporter Rudy Harper.
Well, hearts are open, but the church doors are closed this Lenten season. Members forced to worship virtually as parishioners both celebrate and mourn.
I thank God I serve one of the greatest churches in the world.
Bishop Vedius Gaines led the congregation at Greater Metropolitan Church in Detroit. The 72-year-old husband and father died from the coronavirus.
A man of hospitality, a great servant. He would feed the hungry at his church.
Bishop J. Drew Sheard, a leader over the Church of God in Christ Ministries, says Bishop Gaines and at least 10 other church leaders have lost their lives due to COVID-19. He says a number could be as high as 15 in Michigan's community of faith leaders.
Of course, there are countless others who have been impacted by it. When I say impacted, I mean tested positive.
Bishop Nathaniel Wells Jr. was a prominent leader over a congregation in Muskegon.
He was instrumental in building houses for the community up there.
And members of Bishop Robert Smith Jr.'s church are mourning his death.
Just a great man of God.
Parishioners at the historic African American church Hartford Memorial Baptist also struck by the coronavirus. Reverend Charles C. Adams says at least 10 of his members have tested positive and 6 more have died. He says one member was ready to work for the county.
When she didn't show up for the swearing in, I think it was going to be done remotely. A family member went over to the house and found her deceased. But they are concerned that it is corona related.
Bishop Sheard says his elderly parents have COVID-19. His mother now in intensive care.
And she's made some progress. And so we're yet believing and having faith in God that they're going to pull through.
The bishop says they can't pinpoint where or when the virus was spread. As I mentioned, church services have been moved to online only. A tragic story here ahead of Palm Sunday. In Detroit, I'm Rudy Harper, 7 Action News.